Good morning students, welcome to our 5th class English. I am your English teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Students, in today's class I have explained the summative assessment first question paper revision from class 5th subject English. Now see the bits. First bit, meanings. First one, steadily, without fear. Second one, touch, felt happy. Third one, declared, said in front of many people. Fourth one, miracle, unusual or magical events. Fifth one, gay occurred, happy agreement. So student, this is your first bit meanings. In first bit 5 meanings is there. You have to write all 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Each meaning you have to 2 marks. Okay student. Now see the second bit. See the second bit. Answer the following questions. First question, what happened when Pythas walked near the palace with his shoes on? This is your first question. Now see the answer. He was arrested by Dionysus soldiers. This is the first answer. Okay student. Now see the second question. Who was Arthur's father? Now see the answer. Uther Pendragon, the king of England. This is the second answer. Okay. In second bit, two question answers is there. You have to. So student, in second bit, 2 question answers is there. You have to write 2 answers, 10 marks. Okay. Now see the third bit. Choose suitable verbs from the box. Fill in the blanks. This is one box is given. You have to choose the correct verb in the box and fill the blank. Okay. See the. So students, see here first one. Reenu dash shopping. You have to choose the correct word from the box and fill the blanks. Okay. First one you have to write loves, L-O-V-E-S, loves in first bracket. Okay. Second one, Matthew ate a cupcake. In second one, what we have to write? A-T-E, ate. Okay. Now see the third one. My sister is going to a concert today. Is going in third dash. Okay. Fourth one, Sham is feeling sick. Now fifth one, the chicks picked at the worms. Sixth one, I understand what you are saying. Next, seventh one, Rahul jump over the puddle of water in the road. Next, eighth one, Priya draws beautifully. Next, ninth one, the train will depart at 6 o'clock. Now, 10th one, how many slices of bread did you eat today? Okay students, in third bit, 10 fill in the blanks is there. You have to write all these 10. Okay. Next, fourth bit, see this fourth bit. Write T for true or F for false. In fourth bit, true or false is there. You have to write this true false. Okay. First one, the skylark was on the ground. You have to write F in first one. Second one, the poet saw the bird in the morning. You have to write T in second dash. Next, third one, the bird flew up in the air. You have to write T in third bracket. Okay. Fourth one, the cornfield was golden yellow. False. The poet saw the skylark. Next. False. In fourth bit, 5 true or false is there. You have to write all. Okay. Now see the fifth bit. See here student. Fifth bit is what? Tick the correct words. In fifth bit, 5 tick the correct answers is there. You have to write all 5. You have to tick all 5. 5 2s are 10. Each one have 2 marks. Okay. The name of the Whig king was Diamond and Dinosaurs. 2 words are given. You have to tick which one is correct. You have to tick. Okay. Dinosaurs is the correct. You have to tick the word dinosaurs. Okay. Next, second one, Diamond Pythas did something that announced the king. Now see second one, Diamond and Pythas. Which one is correct? You have to tick. Okay. Pythas is the correct word. You have to tick. Okay. Third one, Pythas Diamond took his friends place in prison. Diamond is the correct word. You have to tick. So third bit is what? Pytha's diamond took his friend place in prison. Diamond is the correct word. You have to tick. Okay. Fourth one. Diamond Pythas went home to bid goodbye to his family. Pythas is the correct word. Fifth one. In the end, both the Diamond and Pythas were punished same. Safe is the correct word. You have to tick safe. Okay. So students, in summative assessment first question paper, you have 5 bits is there. You have to write all these 5 bits and submit in your groups. Okay, thank you.